Hello everyone, this is for my iPhone 7 viewers. It's been a long time I have talked to you guys. You have DM'd me. I know there are like more than 5 people who have DM'd me who are my iPhone 7 viewers. I used to make a lot of iPhone 7 videos for you guys and you used to love it. Unfortunately, since Apple dropped the support for iPhone 7, I didn't made a lot of videos on it, but here am I talking about the battery drain on the iPhone 7. I have some new tips and tricks to share with you guys in order to fix the battery drain and how I managed to get more than 30 minutes, like basically boost 30 minutes of screen on time on my iPhone 7 after following these tricks. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are new here and you do like iOS content. Please hit that subscribe button, and now that you've done that, let's get right into this video. Alright, so the thing is, iPhone 7 is an old device and most of you guys who are using it do not have a lot of battery health. Of course, batteries tend to get degraded and they lose their capacity after some time, and iPhone 7 being an old device, a lot of you guys do have your devices with below 85% battery health. That plays a major role, but in this video I will talk about some tips that helped me increasing about 30 minutes on my device. Remember, just keep this in mind. It will not be same for everyone. This does not mean if it increased 30 minutes for me, it is not sure that it will increase 30 minutes for you. But it can be more than 30 as well. So what I do on my iPhone 7 is using it to take some casual photos, using it as a B cam, basically doing some casual video recordings, taking some pictures, then using it to play casual games, don't touch the spikes, then smash hit, doing this kind of task, and taking it to receive some calls. It is a very compact phone and really great phone to do all these tasks. And remember, these tasks do require a lot of intensive processing power, especially video recording. I get around 4.5 hours on my iPhone 7, and after following these tips I got around 5 hours, nearly 5 hours and 5 minutes of screen on time. Number one thing that played a major role in this is backing up your device, then resetting your device, setting up your device, and then again doing the restore process. And remember, while you do this, make sure you are doing it with iTunes or MacBook Finder, because this is the genuine way. And if you are using any other app, for example Tenorshare or any other app, this won't work. This is the biggest thing that helped me increase almost 15 minutes, if not more than that. This is the major tip that is resulting in more screen on time that boosted my battery life. And there are basic tips and tricks. For example, you are probably already aware of it. This is not the first video you are watching. Let's be honest. Being an iPhone 7 user, I was an iPhone 7 user and I know what you feel and how many videos have you watched. This is not the first video you are watching which is talking about fixing battery drain on iPhone 7. The tips, those are basic tips that you need to follow, is using low power mode below 50%, then turning off background app refresh for the apps you are not using, and turning off the mail fetching feature and doing it manually, or set it to 3 hours or 7 hours. Just don't keep it to automatically. What it will do is it will just keep on fetching for mails. Go in settings, go in mail section, and then change these settings. Also, make sure your device is up to date. See, a lot of people will tell you that updating your device will result in just losing battery life, but trust me, having your device updated is in general really good. Apple is not an evil. Apple is not as evil as we think. Come on. Planned obsolescence is a thing we have heard, but it is just not that bad. Come on. It does not mean that you should stop updating your device. You should definitely update your device, and that will result in giving you more battery life. Thank you so much for watching this quick little episode. I know this was a quick one, but let me know down in comments below what are more videos I can make on iPhone 7. I will be glad to make content on iPhone 7 for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and I am signing off.